Today I will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your ChatGPT app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on your name here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on data controls, you just click on it here. You come here to improve the model here for everyone. Click in this sign or this color. So sorry, you click on it, like you see color, it's gone. That's been improve the model for everyone. Disable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.